give me more info, send it to my email address. The email address is in the bio. So I'm a bit more conservative. I'm an Oma of 5, a grandmother to 5 grandkids. So yes, I was in the police for 25 years and I did a lot of businesses, but I'm still a bit conservative. I mean, I'm still conservative. I like planning on a monthly income. I love planning on a monthly income, and that is what the DGM is affording me. It's that monthly income and the growing monthly income, because most of us in South Africa, I call us the in-betweeners. We are the in-betweeners. Between 40 and 60 are the in-betweeners, because you're too old to get a job and you're too young to be on pension. So we are the in-betweeners. We have to be proactive. We have to be entrepreneurs, and the best place to be an entrepreneur is being an